Hello, Henry.
Hi, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing great. Okay, I already score your test paper, and you got 83. 83 out of 100. Okay, so congratulations. You will
Yes.
move to level 4. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so today we start learning in level 4. Do you see my book?
Um. Yes.
Mhm. Okay, this is our level 4 and this is our first unit. Now, let's watch a video and tell me what do you see in the video. You
Okay.
ready?
Yes.
Okay, you got it?
Yes.
Yes. What do you see?
I see they're talking about the the world solar system. And our universe is the galaxy, and I see a picture of galaxy, and I see um, yeah, I think yeah, and there's a picture of the galaxy.
Mm, do you remember how do we call them?
Um, no.
Okay, I think that you should watch it again and let's read the words that show on the screen, okay? And then,
Okay.
yeah, remember how they call and then try to tell me.
Earth is a solar cycle. Our solar cycle is in a galaxy. Our galaxy is in the universe.
me. What do you see?
The the Earth solar system. The solar system of Earth is galaxy, and galaxy is in the universe, and solar system. Yeah, I think that's it.
You think that's it? That's good. That's better than the previous time. You know the solar system, and then the solar system is in the galaxy, and the galaxy is in the universe. That's good. So, can you guess the topic today?
The topic today is about Earth or galaxy.
Earth and the universe, so something about outer space. Okay, you remember the guy that the astronaut that I took picture with? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so maybe we talk about some kind of his work and what he sees like that. Yeah. Now listen and repeat those vocabularies.
Okay.
Page 8, Unit 1. Get ready. Words. A. Listen and read the words. Listen again and say the words.
Moon,
Moon,
asteroid,
asteroid,
comet,
comet,
meteorite,
meteorite,
solar system,
solar system,
stars,
stars,
galaxy,
galaxy,
universe,
universe,
spacecraft,
spacecraft,
telescope,
telescope,
observatory,
observatory.
Page 8, Unit 1.
That's
Get ready.
Good. Now you read with me. Moon,
Moon,
asteroid,
asteroid,
comet,
comet,
meteorite,
meteorite,
solar system,
solar system,
stars,
stars,
galaxy,
galaxy,
universe,
universe,
spacecraft,
spacecraft,
telescope,
telescope,
observatory.
observatory,
Let me check this one.
spacecraft, telescope, observatory,
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 observatory.
observatory,
Yes, okay, so now you read by yourself.
moon, asteroid, comet, meteoroid,
Meteorite,
meteorite, solar
system,
star,
solar
so-
system,
solar system, stars, galaxy, universe, spacecraft, telescope, and observatory.
Very good. So which one that you haven't known yet?
I haven't known about meteoroid. No, I don't know how to say that.
Meteorite,
Meteorite and asteroid.
asteroid, okay.
Yeah. And I think that's it. Well, I don't really know about comet. Well, is comet sao bang?
Comet is like sao chổi.
Oh. And I just don't know observatory.
Observatory. Okay, so comets, asteroids là thiên thạch. Cần nha. Và thực ra là nó là những cái viên đá mà chứa kim loại ở trong đó, và nó lơ lửng ở trong, ở ngoài vũ trụ, right? Yes. Và nó hay quay quanh mặt trời á con, nó tạo thành một cái vành đai các thiên thạch đó con. Yeah, và cái size của nó thì nó rất là đa dạng. Yeah, từ nhỏ cho đến tới có cục là kích thước tới hàng trăm dặm, bề ngang của nó hàng trăm dặm. Ok, tùy theo cục ha. Ok, còn comet là sao chổi. Sao chổi thì không phải là đá con. Nó không phải là cục đá như asteroid, mà nó chỉ là khí mà bị đông lại, khí mà bị đông, kiểu frozen gases. Yes, ví dụ như là khí methane, khí ammonia và một số cái bụi đá, nhưng mà nó không phải là một cục đá như là asteroid, ok? Nó chỉ là các loại khí mà đang bị đông cứng, xong rồi nó bay ở trong vũ trụ, right? Và nó rất là lạnh, chứ không phải nó nhìn nó nóng như là mình thấy. Nhìn có vẻ nó sáng và nóng, nhưng thực ra nó lạnh nhá con. Yes.
So I have a question.
Yes.
Do you mostly see comets at night?
When I was little, I used to see the comets, but just once. And since then, I've never seen any.
Oh.
Yeah. How about you?
At night when I go out to take the grocery in like twice, then it was at night at 10, and then I see those, but I actually don't know. I thought they were stars.
Yeah, maybe it's comet. You already see comets. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's like một cục băng á con, một cục không khí mà đông lạnh xong rồi nó bay. Yeah. So nó có một cái đuôi rất là lấp lánh. Ok. Yes, thì đó là comet chứ nó không phải là viên đá như là cái asteroid nha. Còn meteorite,
It looks like a rock.
nó là đá vũ trụ đó con.
Oh. How do you get it?
Nhưng mà nó là những mảnh vỡ nhỏ của cái asteroid, nghĩa là asteroid là cục bự ban đầu ở trong vũ trụ, xong rồi nếu mà nó bay mà nó rớt trúng trái đất á, thì nó sẽ bị bể ra thành những miếng nhỏ nhỏ, thì những miếng nhỏ nhỏ đó mình gọi là meteorite. Nó là mảnh vụn của asteroid.
Oh.
Yeah, they are the crumbs of the asteroid. Or they can be the dusty trail left behind by the comet. Nó có thể là cái đuôi của sao chổi mà bị rớt xuống trái đất, thì nó cũng nó đông lại thành một cục đá như vậy con. Nó thành asteroid, nó thành meteorite. So meteorite là kiểu như là những phần mà bị rơi xuống trái đất còn sót lại của mấy cái đó, của asteroid và comet, thì chúng ta tìm thấy là meteorite. Chứ chúng ta sẽ không bao giờ thấy nguyên cục asteroid. Asteroid chỉ ngoài vũ trụ thôi, nhưng khi nó rơi vào trái đất thì nó sẽ bị bể ra rồi con, bể ra thành meteorite. Comet cũng vậy, nó bay ngang trái đất thì có thể làm rơi mấy cái đuôi của nó, mà đuôi nó là thường là bụi khí vậy đó, nhưng mà nó bị đông lại, rớt xuống trái đất thì nó thành cục meteorite. Yes, so you understand?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So for the rest it's good.
Did you explain for the observatory?
Observatories is like đài quan sát. I think that there's some in Canada, but I don't know where. Let's have a look. Observatories là đài quan sát, có thể quan sát được vũ trụ bằng những kính thiên văn rất là mạnh nha con. Observatory in Canada.
Is there people in there?
Mostly the scientists live there.
Oh.
Yeah, and because they need to collect some data and images, people work on that. But sometimes I think that students can have a field trip to go there. Yeah, student can have a field trip to go there. I see that. Oh, in British Columbia there is one. In Quebec there is one, and in Ontario there is one. David
Yeah.
Dunlap Observatory. Let me see.
For that one, Ontario. Where's the actual place? Cause Ontario. Oh yeah, and I just remember something from last time. So last time when I was waking up in the morning at 7, it happened at 3 a.m. The like the sky and everything is orange because of a forest fire.
Hmm.
All at Quebec, Toronto, and Sudbury.
Oh, okay. Yes. Yeah, Henry, I find out that one. It's David Dunlap Observatory Park. This is the map. They say it's in Hillsville, Richmond Hill. You know
Now
Richmond
I
Hill?
no.
Yes, mostly they are in the rural area and in the hill. Thường nó phải ở mấy cái nơi mà trời thiệt là trong và nơi ít có khói bụi con người á con, và nó trên đồi. Thường người ta hay xây như vậy nhé. Yeah, you can have a look at some pictures there. This is the observatory. Right. There's a deer living nearby. Yeah, next to the observatories, there's like a complex. I think it's look like a castle, but more. Yeah, we still have more observatory. You see, at least 3 of them. Yeah. Okay, inside, this is the telescope.
Oh,
It's really
that's
big.
so big. I thought it would be like as big as the one that we always get to look at, like the small one.
Right, this is so big. It's not just as small as the one that people buy home and look by themselves. This is for science. So it's really powerful. Okay, it's the forest nearby. It's in the winter. A lot of deers living there. Oh, I like those things. I really like the nature. Oh, okay. This is like I think this is open for visits because there's some kind of pictures here. It's open for visit. Yes. This is the one. At night and in the winter. I want to see some pictures that they took of the universe, but maybe there's not here. Just the outside. The top. Okay, yes. So remember the name if you want to visit.
David Dunlap. Okay.
It's in Richmond Hill.
Okay.
Okay, Henry. Now, I have some objects here. Can you read?
Solar item.
Solar system.
Oh, solar system.
Meteorite.
Meteorite. Galaxy. Moon. And universe.
So, can you order them from the largest to the smallest?
No.
Okay, so you write them in your notebook.
Oh.
Okay, so you write the largest you will write on the left, and then a little smaller to the right. You understand?
Yes, but I think it's gonna be hard for me.
Yes, you can think a little bit.
Okay. Can I go grab a cup of drink? Can I go grab a cup of water? Can I go grab a cup of water, please?
Sure.
Thank you. Okay. I'm finished, but I don't know I got it right.
It's okay, let's try. Okay, largest.
Um, is the universe.
Mm.
And then the moon. That's what I put.
Okay.
And then I put solar system. And I put galaxy, and then I put meteorite.
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 Mm. You think the moon is really big? Is that right?
I I don't know. I was struggling. I wrote. I would have think of it's gonna be solar system or the moon.
Solar system.
Oh, solar system.
Uh, s- Here is the Earth. You see the Earth, the blue one, small blue one here?
Yep.
Yes? And the moon is just a small thing moving around the Earth. And
Oh.
the whole things from the sun, Jupiter's, Earth, Mars, the moons here, the whole things, it's the solar system. Okay?
Okay.
And there are many solar systems in the galaxies, you see. The bright things that make the colors here is the sun. But there are many suns. And each sun will have their own system. It's like the solar system here. Okay? This is our star, the sun. And then around the sun there are so many planets. But in the galaxy there are so many suns. And each suns will have their own planets around them. So galaxies has billions and billions of the solar system here. Okay?
Okay.
So after I say that, so can you reorder?
Okay. So galaxy is big. Okay.
Okay? Yeah. So now the largest.
Is universe, and then it's gonna be the galaxy, and then it's gonna be the solar system,
Mm,
and then it's gonna be the moon,
mm.
and the last one is
Meteorite.
meteorite.
Yeah, that's correct now. I cannot click the answer, but that's correct.
Okay.
It's good. Okay. So now can you do C? 2 of 3 words are correct. Can you cross out the wrong answer? Number 1.
Number one, people built this.
So you cross out the wrong answer. Is the
Star.
star is the wrong answer. People cannot build it. Okay. Number 2.
This is bright in the night sky. Uh, it, comet.
Cross out the wrong one.
Oh,
Meteorite.
meteorite.
Yes, meteorite là đã rơi xuống trái đất rồi, con thì mọi người mới đi lụm, đi thu thập thì thấy được. Chứ nó đâu còn sáng nữa đâu. Okay? Maybe when you walk to the forest or you go somewhere, you will pass by the meteorite but you don't know.
Oh,
Yes. Okay, so number 3.
number 3, people use this to look at far away. Telescope. Oh wait, the wrong answer. The moon.
That's right. Number 4.
This traveled through space. Telescope.
That's good. Okay. Well done. So Henry, can you write down the vocabularies in your notebook? Write it carefully because in the end of this book we will have another test and you will need to use those vocabularies. You can look back by yourself to do the test. Okay?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, you write everything down?
Yep.
Yes, that's nice. Henry, when you read something, do you make pictures in your mind?
Yes, I imagine it like,
Hmm.
oh, wait, what does it look like? I just think of like a
Hmm.
spot that they said, like,
Yes.
imagine the park, then I would think of the park and like place that I know somewhere, like the swing. And if I know and if they played there, I can imagine what they're doing there and where are they. Like, I would
Wow,
like to imagine.
that's nice. Yeah, that's a good thing. What you do is like visualizing. Yeah, you visualizing what you read. Now, let's read the mini paragraph and just notice what's in your mind. And then you tell me, okay? So
Okay.
can you read?
John spacecraft flew quickly through the space. Through the window, the moon was small and bright. On the next day, it looked like a huge white ball with a bumpy surface and large dark spots. On the third day, John's spacecraft circled the moon. The gray surface was just below him. Rocks of many different sizes covered the surface.
Yes. Okay. What do you see in your mind?
I see in my mind he's in the sky and he's flitting around through the space.
Hmm.
And for the for and I didn't know what to think. Like, I can't really think of through the window. Like, well, I was thinking through the window like he flew quickly and he flew through a window. Um, and then next day, uh, he see a big ball, like at his place, like a big black ball, and the rest I can't really imagine all of them.
Mm. Okay. Yes. So like, um, how like does it depends on the way you read it, or depends on the paragraph?
Um, it depends on the paragraph.
Okay. So the things that you know more, and the thing that you feel interested in, you will imagine more. Is that right?
Yep.
Mm-hmm. And I think that if you calm and you feel relaxed, I think you can imagine more. Okay. All right. So this is our reading today. Bella's home. Look at the picture. Can you guess what is the story about?
Um, maybe she's writing a paragraph to her dad, and that's like she went to go to space, like flew to into the space,
Mm-hmm.
and she's looked like she's sleeping. I oh, and I think she's like visualizing like of her in the because that's actually her right there, and that's what she thinks. Yeah, I don't really know much
Mm.
about this.
You think it's just all in the dream?
Yes.
What did she see?
She see the moon, like the Earth, and the solar system.
The solar system. Okay. Anything else? What is these?
Those are galaxies.
This is asteroid.
Oh, asteroid.
Yes. Đây là những thiên thạch mà nó quay quanh mặt trời nè con. It's asteroids. It's the sun.
Oh.
What else does she see?
Hey, I don't know what's those called.
Galaxy.
Oh, I have a question. What color can galaxy be?
It can be yellow, white, blue, red, purple, pink. Yeah, it's there's a lot of colors. It's green too. Yeah.
Oh,
Yes, a lot of colors.
I thought it was only like purple.
No.
That's the.
Yes, it can be pink, blue, green. All right. So yeah, that's nice. You imagine is really good. Now you will listen to this stories. I think that you can zoom in on your side. You can zoom in.
Yes, I can
Yeah,
try.
because I will show you the full page for you to easy to look. But maybe it's too small, right?
Yep.
Yeah. So can you try?
Yeah, I got it.
Can you try to zoom in?
Yeah, I did it.
Yes. Okay. Let's listen.
Page 10. Read. Bella's home.
Charles Kunayak was a high school science teacher who lived with his family in a quiet neighborhood in Nome, Alaska. In his free time, he studied the secrets of the universe. Charles had a powerful telescope, and he often visited observatories, so he learned more and more about the universe. What an amazing universe! Yet how could Charles help his daughter Bella understand that our sun was just one of billions of stars? How could she realize that the small meteorite on display in his classroom traveled to Earth from beyond Mars? How could he explain that we live in a universe so vast it would take a spacecraft 100,000 years to cross our Milky Way galaxy while traveling at the speed of light? Charles decided that the best way to show Bella was not through numbers and charts, but through a poem. He sat down and wrote what he knew about the universe. He called it Bella's Home. Bella's Home. Bella lived in a white wooden house on a street in the city of Nome. Bella sat in her bedroom and thought to herself, "Where in the world is my home? What I need," she thought, "is a spacecraft to give me a better view." So in her mind, she climbed inside, and up in the sky she flew. Her white wooden house was tiny indeed, and Nome was as small as a pie. As Bella flew up, she saw that Alaska looked like a bear from the sky. Higher she flew, and Alaska, too, became part of something so grand. She saw islands, countries, and continents, with blue oceans around the land. Bella now saw her beautiful planet, a blue ball floating in space, and a shining moon that circled the Earth with the light of the sun on its face. She noticed the Earth was not alone. With 7 more planets it dwelled. In a great solar system, they circled the sun, with asteroids and comets as well. Bella's spacecraft flew higher and higher. Now the sun was a speck of bright light. In the Milky Way galaxy, shaped like a disk, Bella thought, what a wondrous sight. Then billions of galaxies appeared everywhere, each one filled with billions of stars. What Bella observed was the vast universe. Her spacecraft had taken her far. Suddenly, Bella was back in her room, in her white wooden house in Nome. I will visit those places again, Bella thought. For wherever I go is my home.
Okay, so it's your turn, Henry.
Okay.
Yes.
Let me fix it. Okay. Charles Cayucat was a high school science teacher who lived with his family in a quiet neighborhood in Nome, Alaska. In his free time, he studied like a secret of the universe. Charles had a powerful telescope. He often visited ob- observatory, learn more and more about universe. What an amazing universe! Yet, how could Charles help his daughter Bella understand that our sun was just one of the billions of stars? How could she recognize the small meteorite, uh, meteorite,
Meteorites.
meteorite on on display in his classroom? Traveled to Earth from beyond Mars. How could you explain that? We live in 100,000 years to cross our Milky Galaxy while travel at the speed of light. Charles decided the best way to show Bella through was not through number and chat, but just a poem. He sat down and wrote what he knew about the universe. He called it Bella Home. Bella Home lived in a white wooden house on a street in the city of Nome. Bella sat in her bedroom and thought herself, where in the world is my house? What I need, she thought, is a spacecraft to give me a better view. So, in her mind, she climbed inside and in the sky, she flew. Her white wooden house was a tiny ended. As Bella flew up, he said that Alaska looked like a bear from the sky. Higher she flew, Alaska too became part of go so grained she saw land's island country and continent with blue ocean around the land. Bella now saw her beautiful planet blue ball floating in space, and a shining moon that circled the earth with the light of sun. Its face, she realized the earth was not alone. With with seven more planets, its 12 great solar system, they circled the sun with asteroids and comets as well. Vela spacecraft flew higher and higher. Now the sun was a peak of of bright light in the Milky Way galaxy shaped like a disk. Bella thought, what a wonderful sight. Then billions of galaxies appeared everywhere, each one filled with billions of stars. What Bella observed was the vast universe. Her spacecraft had taken her far.
Mm-hmm.
Suddenly, Bella was back in her room, in her white wooden house in Nome. I visit those places again. Bella thought, forever I go is my house.
Okay. Go is my home. All right. So what you predict about the story is correct.
Yes, it's correct, and it's. I wish it would be real if that can happen for her. Like if it can happen for everyone once, I would be there once because I want to see the solar system.
That's nice. Me too. All right. So can you read the words in highlighted?
This telescope, observatory, universe, Metroid, spacecraft, moon, solar system, asteroid, comet, galaxy, and stars.
Okay, that's good. Do you read this page? I haven't heard you read this page.
What
Telescope, observatory. Have you read this one?
telescope of what?
Observatory. Observatory.
Wait, let me zoom out. Okay, observatory. It's right. Oh, that part. The Charles had a powerful telescope, and he often visit. Yes. I read. Oh, I see a part that I forgot to read. The top one of Charles decided that the best way to show Bella was not through numbers for chat, but through a poem. He sat down and wrote what he knew about the
No.
universe.
Just read the highlight parts. I don't tell you to read the whole paragraph. The telescope, observatory, universe, meteorite, spacecraft, like that.
Yeah, I did read that. Okay, telescope of first observatory, universe, Metroid, what? spacecraft,
Meteorite.
meteorite, spacecraft, moon, solar system, asteroid, and comets,
Mm-hmm.
galaxy, and stars.
Very nice. Okay, so I will yeah. I think I will spend the rest of the time for you to look at the universe, the solar system. Okay.
I like pushing the boundaries of
Our solar system is one of
You see my screen?
Yes.
Yes, let's watch this.
Our solar system is one of over 500 known solar systems in the entire Milky Way galaxy. The solar system came into being about 4.5 billion years ago when a cloud of interstellar gas and dust collapsed, resulting in a solar nebula, a swirling disk of material that collided to form the solar system. The solar system is located in the Milky Way's Orion star cluster. Only 15% of stars in the galaxy host planetary systems, and one of those stars is our own sun. Revolving around the sun are 8 planets. The planets are divided into 2 categories based on their composition, terrestrial and Jovian. Terrestrial planets, including Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, are primarily made of rocky material. Their surfaces are solid, they don't have ring systems, they have very few or no moons, and they are relatively small. The smallest and closest to the sun is Mercury, which has the shortest orbit in the solar system at about 3 Earth months. Venus is the hottest planet, with temperatures of up to 867 degrees Fahrenheit due to an atmosphere of carbon dioxide and extensive lava flows. Next to this world of fire is a world of water, Earth. The water systems on this planet help create the only known environment in the universe capable of sustaining life. The last of the terrestrial planets, Mars, might have also supported life about 3.7 billion years ago when the planet had a watery surface and moist atmosphere. Beyond the 4 terrestrial planets of the inner solar system lie the Jovian planets of the outer solar system. The Jovian planets include gas giants Jupiter and Saturn and ice giants Uranus and Neptune. The gas giants are predominantly made of helium and hydrogen, and the ice giants also contain rock, ice, and a liquid mixture of water, methane, and ammonia. All 4 Jovian planets have multiple moons, sport ring systems, have no solid surface, and are immense. The largest Jovian is also the largest.
Okay, so maybe next time I will let you watch more. Goodbye for now.
Okay. Bye, teacher.